Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. You know what you got to do. You got to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated and it goes a long way. You see the box, Nike ID, Nike by you. Yes, I was able to do a dunk. I've done one previously. This is the one I did last time. Threw some SB laces in it. Found them online. Go to Rope Lace Supply. You can find various laces of what you're looking for. No, I'm not an affiliate with them, but they should. Well, holler at me about it. But yes, and this is the box. This is the shoe. I did a Chicago colorway. Yes, I did, but I did a gum bottom on mine. And one thing I like about this is you got to customize it. So I put my initials on the back, and also I noticed the heel tab and the check is actually satin. So they did some different materials, gave you more variety of materials this time. So there's a satin swoosh and a satin heel tab that says Nike on the back, has my initials. Man, look, the quality on these are insane. This is not even an SB quality. This is like a Jordan 1 quality. The tumble leather Jordan 1, like a UNC Jordan 1. If you guys can see that tumble, I mean, they are tumbled all the way to the tongue of the shoe. I mean, it's premium and they ship fast. It's supposed to be here October 18th. They got here today and it was pretty fast. I mean, the last pair I did, they came pretty quick as well, but these seemed a little faster than that, maybe 2-3 weeks tops. But this is overall a dope shoe. They had the J pack, I think that was the Chicago. I was trying to get those prior to designing this. I would have did a different color, but they are like $600-700 resale. I'm not paying that. And people had them in a chokehold on Trade Block for trades. So I just went ahead and made my own pair. You guys can see that. Like, overall, beautiful shoe. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. Tumble everywhere. It amazed me. Then here on the toe, here on the sole of the shoe, it has the stars around it. If you guys can see it. Kind of like how an SB would. I mean, they gave you a shoe that could be a SB. You just don't have the laces, which would have been dope if they had an option where you could add the fat laces. But I mean, they gave you an SB. I mean, in hindsight, if you really just got an SB, it's up to you to do the laces how you want. I think I might put some black or red SB laces in there. Like I said, ropelacesupply.com. Get your laces. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I just want you to see what I came up with my design, and that's pretty much it. Until the next video, you guys be cool.